Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Honey Willis and I'm back at it again. Today I'll just be showing you guys how I fill in my brows. So starting off, I like to brush my hairs through just to get all the hairs going in the same direction. Then I will fill in my brows. I start off by doing the outlining of my brows, and I do go in the same direction my brows are really going in, if that makes sense. After I outline the bottom and the top of my brows, I fill it in, and I do be very gentle. I use light strokes. I do not be pushing down really hard on my brows or anything. Once I fill it in, I like to brush the product through my brows. And that brow look did amazing, you guys. Like, I did not clean it up or anything like that. So I move on to the other brow, and I'll just let you guys watch it because it's the same steps. And I do apologize for all my dancing, y'all. I be listening to music and your girl be turned up, period. I apologize about my hair too. Y'all, I had literally just rolled out of bed and brushed my teeth, and then I was getting dressed, and I was like, well, let me record me doing my brows today, so y'all can accept me how I am, because I'm doing this for y'all. I take my Pro Concealer. You can get that from your local hair store or drugstore. I got that from my local hair store. And I take the same spoolie that I used to brush my brows with. Oh my god. Excuse me, y'all. I'm sorry. I am a clown. So again, it's the same spoolie that I used to begin brushing my hairs with. I'm just going to take the other end and outline it. If you're doing your whole face, you can use a brighter color, but I only did my eyebrows, so I use the color that's my skin color. And ladies, take your time with this. Remember, practice does make perfect, so the first time you're doing your eyebrows, they will not be perfect. But trust me, keep practicing, because baby, please believe me when I tell you, my first set of brows was horrible. And believe it or not, I was using a black pencil. Yes. Hideous. So when you're underlining your brows, just take your time. Again, everyone's brows have their own shape. So I kind of go in the shape of my brow that they're currently in from getting them waxed. I feel like it's easier to raise your brows when you're cleaning them up underneath, because it stretches out the skin under your eyes and makes it easier to smooth the product without messing up your brows. It gives you that straight line, that very precise, sharp look, ladies. Just look at that brow, like wow. And you guys, I'm a little bit of a perfectionist, so you will see me keep going back in, touching up my brows after they look like they're perfect, but I saw something different. Alright, that's the final look on the brows. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.